Before watching this video, don't forget to download the example located in the information column. Hello everyone, in this class, we'll learn how to freeze pens. At the first sight of seeing this form, you'll find the table is very large and the title column is not visible. Like this video, you can see the title column if you move the form. And how to make it clearly? We can use the freeze pens. And let's start with freezing the first column. Step 1 is click View and then choose the freeze pens. And choose the type that you need to freeze, and there we choose freeze first column. And you can see the column that you freeze no matter how far you move the table. And let's see the video. You choose the freeze pens and choose freeze first column. Next, we'll talk about freeze the top row. Similar, the step 1 is click View and then choose the freeze pens. And then choose the type that you need to freeze. And there we choose freeze top row. And let's see the video. Click View and choose freeze pens and click the freeze top row. And you'll see it is freeze no matter how you move the table. If you don't want to freeze top row or first column anymore, you can just unfreeze the pens. And you click View and then choose the freeze pens and find the unfreeze pens and click it. And it will turn back to the original table. And let's see the video. You click freeze pens and find the unfreeze pens. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel PassByValue and CKU. Thanks for your attention.